Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2019 Honda Accord Touring in Platinum White. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, rear body color spoiler, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 10,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5718A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.